Hello everyone, welcome once again to our platform. Alright, so I promised to do this video and I promised my student I'll be doing this video. So this video is actually for you. Yes. So now we asked to how to get the square root of some numbers without using calculator. Especially to those that be writing exams that don't be able to use calculator, or those people that be writing exam that you can use calculator but there's no square root in the calculator. Now this thing I'm about to show you now one of the issue with this thing is that you might not get the exact value. You get it now, like now the square root of 2 now is 1.414. Everybody knows that. But this particular method I want to use now, you might not get 1.414, but you get an answer close to it. Get it now. So that is one beautiful thing about this. Get it now. One beautiful thing about this is you can get an answer close to it, and it's going to help you. So if you are very smart, you can make do with it. Do you get it now? So that's one. That's the only issue that it has. You might not get exact value. You get it now. You're going to get an answer close to it. So you can even use that answer. You understand? So solve any question. So let's quickly do this now. So this is square root of 2. Now what perfect square? I've written some perfect squares here. You get it now. So what perfect square is closer to 2? Root 1, right? So now we have root 2. So root 1 is closer to what? Is closer to 2. So root 1 will give us what? 1. You get it now. So now that one, we are going to write it here. Plus 2 minus 1 give us 1 over 2 times this one. You get 1. So that will be 1 plus 1 over 2. 1 over 2 will give us 0.5. That is 1 plus 0.5. And this is 1.5. Now the exact square root of 2 is 1.414. You get it now. That is, I say that you might not get the exact value, the square root, but you can still make do with it. You get it. So that if you are very smart, you can make do with this. You get it now. So let's try another one. Root 3. The perfect square that is close to root 3 is what? Root 1. So that's root 1. So root 1 will give us what? 1. You get it now. Then we have 1 plus 3 minus 1 is 2 over 2 times this one. That will be 1 plus 2 over 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that is 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, the square root of root 3 is 1.7 something something. So if you round it off, you can get 2. Get it now. So you can, that's why I'm saying that you can get something closer. You get it now. Something closer to what? To the exact square root when you use calculator. You get it now. So now let's do the last one for today, because that's what we have not stopped. Root 5. What perfect square is closer is root 4, right? So that will be root 4. The square root of 4 is what? Is 2. Yes. So this 2, you write it here, plus 5 minus 4 is 1 over 2 times this 2. You get it now. So that will be 2 plus 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is what? 0.25. So that would be 2 plus 0.25. So that will give us 2.25. Now you can check your calculator. Root 5 is not the exact value. You get it now that you get, but something closer. So now this is what it was. One of the things I promised my students I'm going to show you. So you can continue like that for other square roots. You get it now. You can continue for other values, for other numbers. I mean. So with this now, at least I'll know that at least you are still safe, even without it being in your calculator. You can still do something, from that. So now, thank you so much for watching our video. Do have a wonderful day. Wonderful night. Anything.